Woman badly in need of help to pay for dialysis treatment as she continues to endure a very painful life.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Almost 2 years ago, Sherefa Blake was living a life free of illness, but now her kidneys have failed, her blood pressure is high, and she is no longer able to manage simple day-to-day activities. Miss Blake, now 33 years old, said that she worked at various restaurants throughout her life and was able to save money and live a good life. However, these days, she is tired most of the time. Having lost most of her savings in doctor visits and paying for her dialysis treatments, Blake said that she has no family to help her. All of my savings gone to my sickness. Me not have no one to help me because my mom is sick too. And my only brother is not in a position to help me, she added. Blake, who does not have any children, said that there are days that she goes to bed hungry because she does not have anything to eat. It is really frustrating. A pure water me have to drink because me not have no food. The other day, me get some food and me have to keep it till the other afternoon because me know me don't have anything else to eat. And when me eat it, me vomit after because it did sour. But I had to eat something because I needed to take my pressure pill and I did not have anything to eat, she said as tears rolled down her face. According to Miss Blake, she would not wish her life on even her biggest enemy. She said that the worst part of her days is getting the dialysis treatment, which she should have twice per week, but she can only afford to do it once per week. On days when she needs to get her dialysis done, she said that she has to beg neighbors and other persons who are willing to give a helping hand. Me really want to go up a Yui, but them say them don't have any space. And 9,300 for do the dialysis, and me can't afford it because me can't even work now. My life mash up because of this, she said, crying. For Blake, her main concern is being able to pay for her dialysis. My main focus is my dialysis treatment because me just want to get back on my feet. This is not an easy life. This is a very painful life, and I just want things to go back to normal, she said. Persons who wish to help Miss Blake with her dialysis treatments may contact her at 876-367-1666.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.